Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, and you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading. I hope that you all are doing well. Let's begin. This is going to be right from 9th August 2021 and so on, which is beyond, okay? So follow me on Instagram, SSHELLSSH Shells Running. Let's start. Virgos, I heard kind of like you're celebrating something, okay? There's a celebration mode, and I saw like you had the last bite. So I saw the plate, which may be the dinner plate you're having, you're celebrating something. Maybe it's lunchtime or whatever the plate is, whatever the time is, but it's something that you are done with the meal. So it's the last meal. So for some cases, you are celebrating something big in your life or celebrating something big that is big for you, okay? There's an occasion coming. There's possible family get together happening. It's also you, your person, your children if they are, you, your person, something is coming in like collaboration here, which may be celebrating something just if you are engaged or if you are getting engaged. If it is not the case, it's just like being with the one you love. You are with people who love you, they care for you, and there's a celebration. There's also something that you're eating of your choice actually. That's why I said, like, I literally saw the plate and it was clear, which means you're done with, okay? And there's possible just one bite left on corner, and you were having that, your cutlery on side. You're done with. I saw kind of like a knife here, cutlery from the set. So you're just doing like this, eating and done with that. Or keeping the last piece for someone here. Or just enjoying it slowly, okay? So there is something that you are enjoying slowly. You don't want it to complete, or you don't want that party to get over, which is about a party for yourself. Let's see your overall energy, your heart energy, but Virgos. Also, you're done with something. So maybe you had the last bite and it's like, I'm done with this. It's possible date. Okay. So you have Queen of Cups energy, which is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're overthinking about someone, or someone is in head too much about you. So maybe you're meeting with this person and you meet them because you know them. Again, you might be in relationship from a longer time here, or you are getting married to this person, or you are already married, or this is certain kind of celebration. Someone is very confused how to offer you something. So this may be grand opening of something kind of. This may be something connected with your business, or you might have a restaurant or a hotel here because I'm picking the plate and dinner, or you're going somewhere to celebrate big. I also see like someone is stopping in the mid, and I feel it's you, Virgos. You're stopping in the mid while someone is about to say something, whatever is in their head. It's all about someone is expressing their emotions towards you, I feel. Eight of Swords is also someone who is feeling trapped because of your emotions, or you are feeling trapped because of them. They want to meet, but they hardly can because they want to be sure of something. And it's also the last bite with this person possible. I see like someone is overthinking. So when they are overthinking, okay, they are overthinking about what will go ahead in the future. Three of Wands energy is about what's going to be your choice, or maybe you are thinking about what is going to be my choice or desires because you have. It's also something already connected with you, so maybe this is about making choice. Number 3 is going to be very important for you, and in coming 3 weeks or 3 months, it's going to make huge impact on your decisions in the coming time frame. With the particular energy, you are tied, you are connected, okay? It is very, I feel like someone is thinking about what this person will think or what this person does think about me. That is also the energy coming. Many of your celebration is connected with your desires coming true, okay? It's also your future plan of moving, future plan, and this person, if they are already with you, they are very much concerned about you. Also you, because that's your overall energy connected with the vibe or with your emotions. It's like, I feel like you people have become more emotional these days, more inclined towards someone, or because someone left that impact on you, or is leaving that impact on you, that you are becoming this, okay? Again, it has nothing to do that someone is not emotional, this sign is not emotional, nothing like that. It is about feeling something more in that time frame. So if it pertains with you, go with that, otherwise just let it pass. I'm also hearing the word you're going to head towards in the coming 3 months or 3 weeks. Things are going to really change. Okay, I'm also hearing I've overheard. I don't know why that word is coming. I overheard. I feel you overheard. Possible. But this King of Pentacles is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, obviously. But as in, this is you, Virgo, connecting with either Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Someone is overthinking about you. And goes for you that way. But your focus is on where I am. Because I feel like for many of you, money is the ultimatum. Like some of you want to be wealthy and you want to earn so much, and it's all about your work and passion. Okay, I've come a long way. I have to go a long way. But there's also this love requirement that is actually there. This may be someone who shares their last piece or last bite with you every time. Like they're concerned for you every time. Which makes sense because if someone loves you, Ace of Cups is here. Someone is connected with you. They are overwhelmed. Possible you are keeping that last piece and then you're thinking about, oh my God. Oh my God. That kind of energy is coming. Because there is celebration. Because oh my God is coming because someone is surprising you, possible. And you're going to be in the awe because you might be feeling like, what? What? Let's see in your future. There is exclamation, there is startling effect on you. So, this may go as in specific. Some of you males listening here, connecting with the female vibe of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or this may be anyhow. Okay? Let's see. I feel like the one who is not going to keep things to themselves now, they're going to speak up. Whoever this is, you or the person. Because they can't hold it in. They really need to speak that, okay? Maybe they're going to say, listen to me. Listen to me. Okay. Someone is going to make a move. Six of Wands energy is the ultimate secure life as per you, basically. This may be the homecoming. This may be overcoming something. It's also about rejuvenation time and it is about celebration. Six of wine. I was about to say six of wine, possible wine. Wine, according to Lenormand, it's a wine and dine is celebration. So someone might be ordering wine here. Oh, I don't know. Six of wine. Wow. Harmony and happiness. Celebration of something is coming in your life. Also, I'm telling you that in coming 3 months or 3 weeks, there may be travel on your part somewhere. Again, this is a place where you're going to feel harmonious or you're celebrating something. You're celebrating your success. This is about your next move as well. Wine and dine is coming. Maybe that's a wine and dine restaurant. I don't know. This is coming like that. Maybe you are having your own business. Okay, let's see what's beyond Six of Wands energy. When I see the Six of Wands, it is giving me the energy of like feel good, feel good, feel good. Look, feel good. Oh, someone, they have to say something to you. You have to say something. It's also again travel, plan, movement, and this is going to be sudden explanation, sudden celebration. But you knew it, but it's going to be happening. It's going to be, someone may surprise you, startle you, and you're going to be, oh my God. Like this Queen of Pentacles, again, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, female vibe is here. This is something connected with passion, planning, travel. But it's also your, you have achieved something big. I'm telling you that. This is something as per you personally, as an individual or love-wise, 0909 recording time, 8 of Wands. You are going to say something, someone is going to say something. Again, travel is coming, okay? It's going to be quick. And it's also Two of Cups, so maybe it's meeting, it's with the one or celebrating, or you might be meeting your own self, new self, kind of. In what way? It depends. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. And then again, I told you that you're going to keep your knife or fork side on side, and then there's one piece left, and then there's going to be, I have to say something, and you're going to be what? And then someone is going to tell you some stuff. Okay, some of you might be connected with an Aquarius. Two of Swords energy. You need to take a pause before you proceed with something because they want to say something to you. Two of Swords is something that you should have cleared the person out, or someone is clearing you out and you cannot turn the back towards them. This is also about clarifying, which is definitely coming, and I have to say something. So as I told, someone need to say something, okay? Okay, so let's see from Sibila. What is the message coming for Virgos? What is the message coming for Virgos? What is the message coming for Virgos? Looks, for some cases, like the work is done, it's love, and you people are meeting, okay? So this may be reunion, union. Someone might be traveling and coming in the 8th month, August itself, of course, or some of you are planning ahead of August. Also, there's going to be, if we do not specify something, it's in the coming time, the travel, okay, of someone, like ships coming, kind of. You have that aura that you give out, like ray of hope. Okay, let's see, Virgos. Let's see. So there's going to be surprise. For some cases, it's going to be surprise in work, surprise in money, you're going to receive something, or surprise in love. This is going to be some kind of like a deal or catch or something, which is good for you, okay? It's while exploration. Sorrow. I feel it is in the midst of sorrow, you feeling low at times, it's going to be happening a surprise, okay? Or maybe this is last meal and you are done with something. You don't want to go again with the person. Possibly it's like the last I'm done, last date, or, but for most of it, it's like quite positive. It's about clarification, okay? Some of you are not surprised that you are going with something like this, like it's the energy of sorrow, which is about dissatisfaction, okay? Maybe you're reading something. I'm picking the letters M and D. Maybe this is initials of something. M and D. I don't know how it fits you, but MD, okay? I hope you're okay. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.